Hi everyone, I hope you're all well out there today and staying safe. We're going to do something different this week, as you have probably guessed, because Anne is sitting right next to me.
Hi.
A little while ago, a couple of weeks ago I think it was, I put a poll up and asked whether you'd like to see some jewellery based videos. Well, I had a good positive response to that, didn't have one negative response at all. So as a consequence, we're going to start including videos that are all around the jewellery that Anne makes for the cabochons and that, or any features that we make using glass. And today's the first one. Now, it's going to be you want to explain? It's a
claw setting.
Yep.
Which is done with a spine and bail it all in one piece, and then with wire making some prongs to hold the stone.
Okay, so I'll show you this in a bit of a close-up here shortly and explain a little bit more. So we'll just get on with it and won't muck around. Why not?
Because
say it again. No, I'll clip it in.
No.
First up, I'll just show you what we're trying to achieve. It's a claw setting, and it's a very simple design, so it's adaptable to almost any shape. And we'll actually be using this cabochon here, which is a puddle cabochon. And as you can see, it just has a spine with a bail on the end and then some wire soldered on the sides and shaped to fit the cabochon. So that's what we're hoping to achieve. Now, something I need to mention is that there probably won't be a lot of talking in this. Anne will be busy and probably wearing a mask at some times. And I don't know what I'm talking about anyway when it comes to jewellery, so we'll just be using text to explain things for you. Just something else I need to say is that we didn't intend this to be a full jewellery tutorial.
You can find more detailed videos on YouTube.
Yeah, and in future we'll try and add a bit more detail in. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I hope it gives you something as far as your creativity and using fused glass cabochons. For now, don't forget, we've got a couple of suggested videos up there. Our subscribe button is right there, and I'll say bye for now.
And bye from me.